Here I'll be discussing one of the stocks in this portfolio, which is Blackstone Group. The ticker symbol is BX, and I purchased 200 shares at $31.22 for a total cost of $6,244. The current value as of June 15th is $56.65, which gives me a current value of $11,330. This gives me a net gain of $5,085. This stock is currently providing me with a dividend income, yearly income of $312. A couple of sites I like to go to get information on stocks is, of course, Yahoo Finance, one of my favorites. Here you can take a look at the summary section where you'll be able to see just the basic information. You have your dividend yield amounts, you have your price earnings ratio, you have your earnings per share, you have 52-week low, 52-week high, what the range was for the day, the average volume of shares which are sold daily. You also have other information if you're interested in options. You can also go here to check what the option prices are for different expiration dates, for your calls and your puts. Another page I like to go to is Nasdaq.com. Here I can take a look at what the dividend payments have been throughout the year, when they're declared, when they're paid, and you can see how the company is doing. There's also a nice little section here which I also like, which is the institutional holdings. Now this is institutions that hold shares in this stock. So as you can see, you have Vanguard Group, you have Capital World Investors, you have Wellington Management Group. All of these companies here own shares in Blackstone. And here it tells you the percentage. So they held here 38 million shares, which represents there was a change of 957. So value, let me see, where's the section I want to look at? New positions, sold out positions. So we have 130 institutional sellers which sold out of their position for a total share of 4,080, but we have 139 new positions for a total share of 8 million shares, which is a good sign. We also have here active positions. So holders, we have total institutional holders of 1,126. 129 held their positions. 479 decreased their positions in Blackstone, but 518 increased their positions in Blackstone, which again is another good sign. Now, luckily, that's probably why this stock has been able to rebound since the March downturn because of the COVID-19. It's pretty much recovered all its losses. The highest this stock has been at is $64.97, and within the last 52 weeks, that is. And currently it is at $56.65. So what do I expect from this stock? Again, the dividends is not too great on this one. The dividend yield, it's not too high. But then again, I don't have that many shares. I only have 200 shares. And remember, I only invested $6,000. And from that $6,000, now it's going to be paying me $312 yearly in dividends. And the current price is $11,000. So I had a gain of $5,000 in this stock. So overall, a pretty good investment and a long-term hold for my dividend income portfolio.